Yes everyone, how are we? So we're just throwing on the performance HT leads on the Fiesta ST150 Mark 6 future classic, absolute beast. So yeah, basically it's just as simple as that. It's amazing how much it glows up the engine bay, so just wait till the end and obviously you'll see the full result with all of them on, you know what I mean? But obviously this is probably one of the easiest tasks you can do with a car. You literally just take them off. Normally you'd have to take the airbox system off, original airbox, but obviously because I've got a ram air induction kit, it's literally just a cone in it and a little bit apart. But there you go. You take off the original kit already, so that was already off. So it's literally as simple as just taking the pre-existing HT leads off and putting the new ones on. Performance red HT leads. I've gone for red, but a lot of you like Ben Mate Wine, you've gone for Kawasaki green. Just wanted something a bit different, you know what I mean? And it really is amazing how much it brightens the engine bay up. It's just fantastic, you know what I mean? I absolutely love this. So I've got some problems at the minute when I'm actually revving the car. So at bottom end when I'm actually like, it's weird because if I'm like just putting full throttle, it's not really an issue, but really low revs and then potentially putting it in when I'm reversing as well, sometimes the whole car just cuts off. It's got nothing to do with clutch control. I think it's something to do with the PVC valves or something along those lines, something to do with like circulating exhaust gases or anything like that. So that's something I'm going to look to doing in the future, whether or not I'm going to get a garage to do it, because it seems like it's quite a big job. Every time I go and try and get it done with the garage, they're kind of like reluctant to do it, you know what I mean? So I suppose it is one of them, do you know what I mean? So here you go, look how much that just spruces up the engine bay. It just looks absolutely fantastic, in my opinion anyway. So I'm out here doing you lot top end, and look at that, look at these mods, you just can't beat them.